Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video and I'm wavy right now, but I have no lineup, no taper. My mustache is a mess. I haven't had a cut in like 2 weeks because I've been planning for Solo to give me the cut, but he got sick and we weren't able to, you know, make it happen. But now I've been pressing the man. He's reaching my crib, so you know you're a serious guy when you have the sickest barber in the city reach your crib for a personal cut. So I feel honored that Solo was about to cut my hair right now. I'm not too sure if we're gonna go 4 against the grain or a 2. My hair is pretty long right now. I know a 4 against the grain is gonna be a really good cut, but a 2, if I went with the grain, I would want to close it, and that might be a little too risky. So I'm not too sure. I'm gonna talk to Solo and see what he recommends, but I'm thinking 4 against the grain just to keep it simple, you know. So I'm gonna go pick him up right now. We'll show y'all. I'll link back up with you guys in a second.
Be able to zoom in on the teeth?
Let's see.
Cause bro, you can see it just straight up. You don't even need to have a good eye. The blade is above the stationary one.
Yeah, I can see that.
But that means there's a free blade going just
yeah, bro. The
and
thing
hitting
is, that's how it came. Like when I got that, I didn't do any adjustments to it. That's just how it came, bro. You want to adjust that right now?
Hell yeah.
You can show the people how to adjust it too.
Shit, I ain't the best.
Nah, it's better than, you can definitely save that. Like that hurts, bro.
Just give me a screwdriver.
I got you. Alright, so what you doing here, bro?
I'm gonna unscrew the 2 main screws. Take the blade off. Now we got 2 screws right here. We gotta loosen them. Now that they're loose, make a little more loose. Okay. What we're gonna try to do is push these blades further down. A lot of the times people will press it against a wall or something to get it perfectly aligned. Sorry, just need one more light. Yeah, this is gonna hit. It's literally right on the
perfect. The other one was over.
It's going over, bro. That's not something you can't even put that to your neck.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you weren't slicing yourself.
Bro, I've been slicing myself, bro.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to the mustache area. Like that's a sensitive area too, you know. So hitting that, you can see my mustache right now is a mess, yo. Don't judge me.
That's it.
Alright, so while Solo is getting the clippers ready, I just want to show you guys. I'll get Solo to give you a spin around in the waves before we get started. But I've been wolfing for, I think it was like 5 weeks. I haven't had a lineup or a taper in like 2 weeks. I knew I was gonna get a cut just now. So now before we even start, every product that I use now is by Wavy merch. Okay, that's all I can tell you. Yes, I have new brushes and I've been using the new brushes. I'm gonna let Solo show you a spin around in my head so you can really see the progress. Yeah, I don't need to say it. You guys can look at my last video, look at this video, and you're gonna see the crazy progress. And that's honestly because the new brushes, fire. So Solo, from the last time that you see my waves versus now, what do you think about the progress? You see progress?
For sure. We're gonna see it even more once we cut it.
Yeah, for sure. We're going with the grain. Now, before my weak spot used to be like right here. Yeah. Can you see it good in the light?
Yeah, I have a flash on it.
Okay, proper. So yeah, it used to be a weak spot right here, but I've really been focusing on my back more. And my top right here, there's still a fork right here, but you can see my crown there's waves now coming around in the crown, which is like the crucial part and the hard part really. So I think getting a fresh cut now, I'll be able to work on the forks at a lower hair length, and that'll really get some wave development, man. Like, yo, come on, let's go. It's been 5 months since I've been, you know, waving. People say, yo, how's this guy elite? This is 5 months right here, y'all. February 13th is when I cut my waves off. Today is August 13th. So it's been 6 months. So 6 months I've been waving. But yeah, this is what we have, y'all. 6 months.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. No more talking.
The beat on the beat. Yeah.
sound with me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me. I'm a wavy guy, don't need you to sail with me. Your girlfriend love it when you pull up and say sound with me. I got a lot of problems, fuck boy, I won't bang out with you. I ain't pointing fingers, I just put the aim at you. A lot of people talk like I ain't see the bottom how. I used to dream about all the shit that I have gotten now. Bitches used to laugh at me, barely got a smile. Now it's like I'm playing Pokemon, I caught them wild. I'm a wavy guy, don't need you to sail with me. Your girlfriend love it when you pull up and say sound with me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me.
Start to cry, push buttons. If it's not a foreign, I want it. Doing me, I'm not stunting. I'm hungry, I came up for nothing. You really got something to say? All that talking, but not to my face. New roller, get bust in the face. At the top, and it's where I'ma stay. Let you know I don't chase. I don't trust a lot, I'm just keeping it safe. Get the bag, now I'm keeping it safe. Took a dub, now I'm doubling up. I'm eating good, I get lunch. Low key, I'm just running it up. Got cryptos and I'm watching it jump. 100K coin, then I'm a dump. Back then I got dumped. Same bitches, now they wanna get fucked. I made it here with no love. Through the bands on the Benz like I don't do talking, I do walking. I'm high as fuck like I'm moonwalking. I took a chance, had nothing to lose. Now I got the proof and that's
I'm a wavy guy, don't need you to sail with me. Your girlfriend love it when you pull up and say sound with me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me. I'm a wavy guy, don't need you to sail with me. Your girlfriend love it when you pull up and say sound with me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me. You say you rap, but when you die, go to jail for me.
A beat on the beat.
Sail with me. Your girlfriend love it when you pull up and say sound with me. You say
Okay. So we are done. The house call, the house cut.
How's it looking?
Dripping.
Wavy?
Dripping, spinning.
Yeah.
Tapered up.
Tapered up.
You know, I mean, you stand up. Stand up. Let me. You do the 360. Remember your old intro? For your,
oh yeah, man's are like this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what do I need to work on from what you can see?
We need to get this area to
come to the top.
We gotta wait. We got like little baby waves in here.
Yeah.
But they don't know who they want to connect with. You know.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to connect with something, but they haven't found their home yet.
Yeah.
Hold on, the light's kind of ruining it because it's making it dark. Look over there. Yeah. So right around here, need a little bit of work.
Yeah, that's my weak spot right here. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Spinning on them.
I'm gonna use the Inferno now. I haven't used the Inferno in a minute because I was wolfing for so long. So, hey man, I appreciate the cut. Let me get this right here. I appreciate the cut. I needed it, y'all. I needed it.
A house cut in a long
and
time.
It's been a minute, bro. Last time I was probably in my bathroom with the Wave Builder, Wave King picture. If y'all remember that, he cut that
in the basement.
In the basement, bro. That's a throwback. I'm gonna do a fresh cut brush session. Very soon, probably the next video I drop is gonna be a fresh cut brush session. Make sure you guys follow Solo Cuts on IG. Where the man go? Yeah, make sure you guys follow Solo Cuts on IG. Follow me on IG. Smash the like button. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Alright, you guys, so oh shit. Yo, I don't know. Do you guys always step on the corners of the bed? Damn, bro, that shit hurt. But yo, it's been 7 days since my fresh cut. I haven't combed my hair, I brushed my hair or anything. But the next video I drop is gonna be a brush session 1 week after the fresh cut. Now when I get my fresh cuts, I'll explain this more in the video, but I'm trying to explain why your hair isn't the best a few days after your fresh cut. Like sometimes you lose waves, well, me personally. So I'm gonna explain that to you guys. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications because I'm dropping a video, I think, in 2 days after you guys see this. I'm trying to drop videos every 2 days. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.